Hello everyone, welcome to Brainy Trivia. Today in this video we are going to see some healthy eating habits or healthy food manners that can help you have a better lifestyle and a healthier one. Now without wasting any time, let's look at these healthy food habits. Always eat in portions. Divide the food into parts containing proteins, fibers and other essentials so that we can ensure that we are taking every essential nutrient. As you know that these nutrients must be present in our body to make sure that our body functions properly. Intake more veggies such as the most healthy ones including spinach, carrot, green peas, broccoli and garlic. In fact, these are the most healthiest vegetables on the planet. I am sure that you would have heard it 100 times. But still, eat your vegetables every day. Avoid other oils and intake more of olive oils as it is loaded with antioxidants which helps to prevent chronic diseases and fight inflammation and helps prevent blood cholesterol and lowers the risk of heart diseases. And another common advice you will be hearing every day is avoid junk and processed food, which is kind of difficult for everyone, but it should be under control at least. And sweetened drinks as they are a source of sugar that causes weight gain. This can cause heart disease and even heart attacks. Drink lots of water, at least 8 glasses a day. Drinking water before 30 minutes before having food can help in weight loss. But don't drink mineral or packed water as they do not contain fluoride and this can cause fluoride deficient related problems. Do not drink too much water as it can also cause some harm to the body. Most important meal of the day is the breakfast, so never skip it. The breakfast is important for metabolism, which provides energy for the entire day. So be sure to have your breakfast and a healthy one too. Do not drink diet drinks or diet sodas because it too can be harmful to us. It can cause weight gain, heart problems. Most recently, it was found that soda drinkers have possibility of stroke and dementia. You can drink green tea instead of other drinks due to its many advantages like antioxidants, reduction in weight and many other benefits. So try to drink green tea as much as possible. Chew your food nicely at least 32 times before swallowing it and take less air inside your mouth while chewing so that it does not cause any gastric troubles. Always pack your food in limited amount. If you have a large plate, you will eat more without knowing. The larger the plate, the higher you eat. And also, don't watch TV or other entertainment stuff during eating. This also causes overeating without knowing, also known as mindless eating. Never eat at night. Eating at night is not a good idea if you want to reduce your weight. So these are some of the healthy food habits or food manners that I wanted to share with you. So thank you, have a nice day and be sure to follow at least a few of them.